Hi there, welcome to Get Data Solution. The purpose of Get Data Solution is to modernize data system to save time, to generate automatic report, to reduce cost and increase productivity. Our products solve real problem for any industry, and we can also create product for any industry. In that case, you have to order. Otherwise, uh, you can use existing product if it fits your needs. Those are the main purpose of Get Data Solution, and our areas of expertise are in creating different dashboard for different industries, data management and analysis, different data management and analysis tools, data quality improvement, including the system establishment and reporting, HR data management, including every and detailed HR data management, training package. We have also training package and training and consulting services. So those are our area of expertise. So today we'll see project progress tracking system by quarter. So we'll use the coloring system, like for example, which field based on the values. For example, in this case, the colors are filled by their values, proportional to their values. If I make this, for example, 80, it will proportionally just fill the color. If I make this 97, it will fill proportionally. So we use that coloring system, but we use two coloring system. In that case, we use conditional formatting for coloring system, and if the achievement is greater than 80, we use deep green. If the achievement is between 60 to 80, light green. If the achievement is between 40 to 60, light blue. If the achievement is between 20 to 40, like somewhat gold color. And if it is less than 20 in percentage, so we use red color. So those are the coloring system we have used for this case in this project progress tracking system. And this system is very important for project managers. And here is the data entry instruction. You will simply insert the activity, insert plan, and insert achievement for every activity. We will see activity and plan and then achievement. So for the current, we have 20 activities, and here is the plan and here is the achievement. That is inserting the activity, plan, and achievement. Then we'll save it. Then it will automatically update the data. Here is the instruction in detail. You can read that one in your time. The benefit of this project progress tracking system is easy and convenient to enter the data and update. It automatically generates project progress and completion in percentage. It automatically generates summary table and graph on project progress, showing quick status for busy managers and other project team. What I mean in the summary table is this one, and here is the graph as well. and here is the coloring as well, which I am going to discuss it in detail later on. So it's easy to identify which activity support is needed. Once you identify the activity which is in red or in a golden color, you have to actually support that one. Quick to update and create a rename can be possible, and it saves time. Simple to update by month or quarter, as we are actually going to see it in quarter. Convenient to share to teams. It is very convenient to share to teams and support to follow up project and programs. The other benefit is let project manager and the team where to focus next month or next quarter. It also alerts managers on which activity to support his or her team, and it also keep data quality, complete and use, and this is supposed to be recommended for project or program managers, project or program team, MND and coordinators, or MND leads, or MEL staff, or MND staff, team coordinators, partners, as well as donors can use this so that they can actually get the highlight of the project they are actually funding. So let's come to the actual data. Here is project progress tracking system by quarter. This is for quarter one, for example. We'll write organization and project name and year of implementation here on the top. Then we'll insert our activity list here. Then we'll insert the plan here, and then the achievement in the next column here. Once we put here our activity, it will automatically just highlight the completion percentage in terms of percentage as well as different coloring. As I've already said, we have used this coloring for greater than 80, deep green, light green for 60 to 80 percentage, 40 to 60%, light blue, 20 to 40% gold, and less than 20 red color. So that is what is actually indicated here. Here is a deep green, here is a light green, here is a blue, here is a golden, and here is the red. Once we just insert the achievement, it will automatically summarize the progress here also in the table for greater than 80. For example, this particular case is 5 activities, or 25% of overall 20 activity is with achievement of greater than 80. With achievement of 60 to 80%, we have 5 activity again, 25%, and so on. So we'll get this summary table as well as the summary graph, which shows the percentage and the number of activities in each category. For greater than 80, here 5 activities, here also 5 activity, here as end 2 activities, less than 20%. Okay, let's check whether this is dynamically changing. For example, the first activity plan is 100 and achievement is 80 at the moment. But if I make it 20, for example, can you see it? It will actually change the coloring as well as here is the summary is changed, here is the graph is changed. If I make, for example, this one is 50 here is changing, the progress is, and in the table as well as in the graph is changing dramatically. So once we fill this, especially for busy managers, it's good to see the progress in terms of which activity is actually behind the schedule and needs support. For example, in this particular case, those activities from activity 15 to activity 18 are in golden color. They need support, and this also, the red color, is need special support. So we can actually manage our project in such a way so that busy managers, donors can have a top highlight view of the overall project from this data. They can get a quick summary here. They can view the progress, overall progress in terms of the achievement here. Let's come to quarter 2. Similarly, for quarter 2, here it shows the progress. So once we actually fill the first quarter, now in the second quarter and the subsequent quarters, we only update the achievement because the plan will be the same in most of the cases. But if there is a change in the plan, we can also update that one. Just here also it shows the achievement is indicated in different varying colors with completion percent greater than 80% is shown with deep color is 6. If I make this one is, for example, 55 into achievement, that will be actually highlighted there, and is also here also the graph and the table is updated accordingly. If in the second quarter, for example, the last activity with a plan of 400 is achieved 300, can you see it? It will be just automatically highlighted with green color, and that is also indicated here in the graph as well. So once we finish quarter 2, again for quarter 3, here is the achievement for the current. Now in quarter 3, as is indicated here, 9 activities are over 80% and only one activity is under 20%. It seems that the project is actually going pretty well. So the managers of the project or the experts of the project should focus in quarter 4 for especially in these areas, in activities, those activity with less than 20% as well as between 20 to 40%. Of course, for this section also there is an attention needed, so you can similarly update the progress. Likewise, for example, this is if we make this on 280, can you see it? The progress is visually seen. So this is very important for project managers. In the fourth quarter also, we can actually update the achievement accordingly, and we can know our progress in terms of the achievement here in terms of the table. In this case, for example, greater than 80% achievement is 12 activities, which constitute 60%, 60 to 80% achievement by 4 activity, which is 20%, 40 to 60% achievement, 2 activities, 10%, and in the range of this, we have 1 for each, and that's 5% for each, and totally we have 10, 20 activities and 100%. And this is shown here also in graph So this is very important for project tracking and project managers. So as I've already said, this is easily uh, manipulated or easy to insert the data and automatically generate completion and progress, which will be actually insightful for project managers and project teams, and they can actually easily identify the activities or the teams that should be supported from the managerial aspect. So this is very important, and it's good for project managers and those who have actually we suggested for use this template. As I have already suggested, this as a group of people who can actually use this template: project managers and program managers, project program team, M&E coordinators and leads, M&E staff, team coordinators, partners, and even donors can use to get this track of the highlight of the project, and they can actually support their funding organizations if needed. So this is very important project tracking system, which we recommend for project as well as even for the individuals and for organizations. And that's all for today for project tracking, and thank you for listening and enjoying this project progress tracking system. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video so that you will be notified if we actually upload other videos. Thank you very much, and subscribe to our channel Get Data Solution so that you will actually realize uh, this top function of and the purpose of the channel, and will actually provide different product in these categories: and dashboard, data management and analysis, as well as data quality, HR management, training and training consulting services. So if you have an interest in this, you can actually provide this for you. Thank you very much once again, and bye bye.